Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple launched these just a couple of weeks ago, and people are already asking, which one should you buy? Both look amazing. Both are packed with upgrades, but there are some big differences that could help you decide. So let's break it all down. Design and build. Apple has gone back to aluminum for the frame, but this time in a unibody design. That makes both models lighter and cooler compared to the Titanium 16 Pro series. The Pro weighs around 187 grams, while the Pro Max comes in at about 225 grams, noticeably lighter than before. Both also pack vapor chamber cooling for better heat management during gaming and 4K video editing. On the back, the new horizontal camera bar gives a fresh look, and colors include black, white, natural titanium, and a new sky blue, premium feel, without the extra weight. Display. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch tandem OLED display. The Pro Max stretches it to a massive 6.9 inches. Both offer 120 Hz ProMotion, HDR, and reach 2000 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. And yes, the notch is finally gone. Face ID is now under the display, giving a true edge-to-edge experience. For compact handling, the Pro feels great. But for binge watching, gaming, or editing, the Pro Max is like carrying a cinema screen in your pocket. Camera system. Both phones share a triple 48-megapixel setup, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. But the Pro Max gets an exclusive 6x telephoto zoom compared to 3x on the Pro. This means sharper travel shots, cleaner zoom portraits, and more flexibility for creators. On the front, both pack the new center stage selfie camera, keeping you in frame during calls or vlogs. If you're a casual user, the Pro is more than enough. But if you rely on zoom or professional photography, the Pro Max clearly wins. Performance inside. Both models run on Apple's new A19 Pro chip, built on a 2-nanometer process. It's around 20% faster and more efficient than the A18, with no difference between the Pro and Pro Max. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, multitasking and gaming are smooth on both devices. So when it comes to performance, you're not sacrificing anything by choosing the smaller model. Battery life. Here's where the Pro Max pulls ahead. The iPhone 17 Pro offers around 15 hours of heavy use, while the Pro Max packs a larger cell, lasting closer to 18 hours, almost 2 full days on light use. Both support 65-watt fast charging, 50% in just 20 minutes, and improved 25-watt wireless charging. If you need all-day battery plus extra, the Pro Max is the safer choice. Key differences. Recap. So let's quickly recap. The Pro Max gives you a bigger 6.9-inch display, exclusive 6x telephoto zoom, larger 5,500 mAh battery, and up to 2 terabyte storage. Meanwhile, the Pro offers the same chip, the same main cameras, and the same premium build in a smaller, lighter, and slightly cheaper package. Price and verdict. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099. The Pro Max starts at $1,199. Just a $100 difference. But depending on what you need, that extra could be worth it. So here's the verdict. If you want lighter weight, easier one-handed use, and the same blazing fast performance, go with the Pro. But if you're a creator, a gamer, or someone who needs maximum battery and storage, the Pro Max is the one to buy. Outro. So, iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max? Which one are you choosing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe for more Apple breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.